Good morning, YouTube. It is July 30th. It's Sunday, and it is about 7:45 a.m. So we are going to rope drop Mickey's Toontown. We're going to see what the rush is to get on Mickey Minnie Runaway Railway, and then Roger Rabbit, and of course the, I don't know the new name, but Gadget's Go Go Coaster. So let's get inside. Let's check out what the rush is all about for Mickey's Runaway Railway.
Dance like everybody's watching. Yay! Early entry, Disneyland hotel guests, end of the street, hang right. Why?
So if you can see off in the distance, the King Arthur carousel is spinning around. So as you probably heard, the guy there, the hotel guests, they get early entry. So early entry, I think it's a half hour. Magic Morning, he used to call it, I believe. Gonna wait over here by Tomorrowland, right in front of the beautiful Matterhorn, waiting for this rope drop. So it got 10 minutes until rope drop.
To all who come to this happy place, welcome. In 1955, Walt Disney spoke those immortal words inviting guests to step inside the happiest place on earth for the very first time. Since its opening, Disneyland has stood as a beacon to dreamers of all ages. It evolved out of a magical storytelling realm envisioned 1 century ago. As we celebrate 100 years of the Walt Disney Company, we are grateful and honored for the many friends and families who have shared this wondrous journey with us from generation to generation. Your special day in our next 100 years is about to begin. For your safety and for those around you, we ask that you please walk to your next destination. May you experience all the adventure, wonder, and joy that your heart and imagination can hold. Thank you, and welcome to Disneyland.
All right, let's go. The dash has begun. Let's get over to Toontown and check out Mickey Minnie Runaway Railway. We're still doing some last minute cleanups. Alright, Jingle's done. Honestly, this is not bad compared to Rise. Maybe because they brought back the Magic Mornings for the guests. Yeah. No need to run, for me at least. And for the record, it is a 21 Celsius temperature this morning. We got 92% humidity, and 21 Celsius is about 69% or 69 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's a very nice temperature, except for the humidity. It's pretty killer, but no complaints. Oh no. So they're saying Toontown isn't even open? Okay.
Runaway Railway is not open.
So Runaway Railway is not open. Everybody's turning around. I'm still gonna go. Okay. This is a rope drop to see Toontown, and hey, that's just one of the many experiences that you might have recently when you come to Disneyland. Lots of stuff is just not open, or you know, just breaking down. So that's the trade-off when you have these new trackless rides. But we'll still check it out. I mean, it's gonna be nice to experience Toontown with no crowds. Who knows, maybe it'll come back while I'm here. Also, the wishing tree area is open again. So it is there, El Capitan. So we're gonna go on Roger Rabbit, but I'm gonna just walk around real fast. Little hidden Mickey. I don't know if you can believe that or not, but there is one. Oh, and there's Goof. Let's catch up with Goof real fast. Goofy! Morning! So there's Mickey's house. He's already got a nice wait outside. Nobody in Minnie's. Okay, so Chip 'n Dale's Gadget Coaster. That'll be our first ride of the day. Morning. Oh man, this humidity is killer. I don't know how many other people can say that they've rope dropped Gadget's Go Coaster, but I think I might be one of the few. So as you can tell, there's still got some construction walls or fencing up. Toontown is not still completely open yet. Alright, so I'm about to get on this ride. Then I will head over to Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin, and then we will see if Mickey Minnie Runaway, if there's any updates on it, if it's gonna come back online. There's somebody's sock? Oh my gosh. See that? This ride knocks your socks off. Oh, kind of an unexpected morning, but that's cool. Alright, so first ride, I get my choice. I'm gonna go right in the front. Okay, so that was rope dropping Chip 'n Dale's Gadget Coaster. Let's go try out Roger Rabbit now. So here's the fountain. I hear they added some new animals in here. So you got the frog there giving you the side eye. You got some clams. Got the fish and a little turtle over there chilling. It is super wet over here. I don't know. It'd be nice on a hot day, but it's pretty slippery. Alright, so as you can see, Toontown, Toontown's Mickey Minnie Runaway Railway is still closed. So hopefully, gonna ride Roger Rabbit and it's back open. Okay, so Roger Rabbit, it's got a 10-minute standby. It's been a long time since I've been on this, so I'm kind of excited. It always has a long wait, or used to. So let's go spin around. It's just a walk-on, there's no wait. Okay, it's about 8:15. That is Roger Rabbit. So that was a walk-on. I'm gonna wait for science purposes to see how long it takes for Mickey Minnie to come back online. And then in the meantime, I'm gonna check out the Imagineer merch store. All for this video. We'll see. We'll see how long it takes to actually get on this ride rope drop. So that's my experiment today. All right, Imagineer souvenirs. one shop that we haven't really checked out because it's always been so busy. And they got some pretty cool merch. But I think because it's so early, it's still, I think they usually have some trains out here. Like they got a lot of MMRR. Having yourself a perfect picnic. Come get your power limes. We didn't realize they got hidden Mickey train tracks on the ground. And also they got a train that goes around on the top up there as well. Okay, so it is about 8:25. It's on. It just opened up. I thought I was gonna try to be one of the first people, but it's just missed it inside in the engineering shop.
Oh my god.
So this early, it's basically a walk-on at this point. So I'm kind of missing all the awesome queue props and all the cool gags, hidden Mickeys. Darkwing Duck.
Hey, Goofy! Tell me, beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See you all there. Take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Me? Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive? Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Okay, alright, thank you. Alright, I guess I get my own row. I thought it was going to be number one, but there's nobody here, so I will get my own row. Oh my gosh, this is huge. Bye.
Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hiya, folks. Hey, everybody, what the fuck?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch!
Okay, so it's about 8:40. That's everything. I just did the Mickey Minnie Runaway Railway. It came back up. I got really lucky. So that's all of Toontown rope drop. That was my experiment. So obviously with the way the ride works, like your experience could be different, but that's just a preview of how it is, how it went for me today. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. And it's still only a 5-minute wait, so I'm gonna go on it one more time and to enjoy it before it goes down again. So bye bye.